This is NCRT Class 9th, Chapter 1 Economics, Story of the Village Palampur. Exercise. These are question answers. Question number 1 is, every village in India is surveyed once in 10 years during the census. Some of details are presented in the following format. Fill up the following based on information on Palampur. First, location. Second, total area of village. Third, land used in hectares. So these are the information related to these questions. Location, total area, village and land use in hectares. Third, D question, facilities, education, medical, electricity, communication and nearest towns. So location was Palampur. B, total area of village was 800 hectares. C, land use in hectares was 700. So cultivated land irrigated 200 hectares and unirrigated 100. Land not available for cultivation, area covering dwellings, roads, ponds, grazing grounds was 26 hectares. Facility was education. For education was 2 primary school and 1 high school. Medical facility, primary health center. Third, market, narrow market. There was narrow market. Electricity, yes, there was electricity. Communication, nominal. And nearest town, Sapur was the nearest town to the Palampur village. Your second question, modern farming method requires more inputs which are manufactured in industries. Do you agree? Yeah. Yes, we do agree that modern farming methods requires more inputs which are manufactured in industries. This type of tools and input required for agriculture are: first, machine used in farming; second, motor used in tube wells, electricities; fourth, chemical fertilizer; fifth, pesticides; sixth, petrol and diesel; seventh, tractor, etc. And your third question, how did the spread of electricity help farmer in Palampur? So your answer is, the spread of electricity was helpful for the farmers of Palampur in various villages. First, now irrigation of land can be done in far more better ways. Before, Persian wheels were used for irrigation, which was a prolonged process and was not so effective. So irrigation with the help of electricity will be useful, such as larger area of land and quite quickly and effectively. Second, because of the better irrigation facility, more and more crops can be grown for one area. Third, electricity connection not only help in improving agriculture but also in running small businesses.